Hello, good morning. Today we will be discussing about number sequence. This is for quarter 3, week 6. To start with, let's know what number sequence first. A number sequence is a list of numbers in which successive terms follow a rule or pattern. Each number in a sequence is called term. So what are the missing terms in this sequence? 1, 4, 8, 13, 19, blank, blank, blank. So 1 is the first term, 4 is the second term, 8 is the third term, 13 is the fourth term, 19 the fifth term, the sixth term, seventh term, and eighth term are missing. So to find out, we have to know what is the pattern rule. So let's study the example. How will 1 become 4? So you will add plus 3. 4 to becomes 8. To become 8, you have to add 4. 8 to become 13, you have to add plus 5. 13 plus 6, we got 19. So to get the next term, we have to add 7. Continuous lang naman yung pagtaas. Okay? So 19 plus 7 is 26. So let's add another number. To get another number, we will add plus 8. So you will get 34 plus 9, you will get 43. So what is the pattern rule? Pattern rule is plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and tatlong dot means continuously. So if we will get the next term for this, since plus 9 tayo, kasunod plus 10, you will have 53. Let's have another example. Find the next three terms of the sequence. 5 plus 5, 15, 45, 135. So you have to know the pattern rule. How will you get 5 or 15 out of 5? So pwede add 10. 5 plus 10 equals 15. Pero pwede ba yon na 15 plus 10, 45? Is that 45? No, it's not. So it means plus 10 is not the pattern rule. So think, how will you get 15 out of 5? So you will have times 3. So if you multiply this 5 times 15, we have 5 times 3, we have 15. 15 times 3, we have 45. 45 times 3, we have 135. So to get the next term, multiply din natin. 135 times 3, we have 405. Times 3 again, we have 215. Times 3 again, we have 3,645. So the pattern rule again, times 3. How about this one? So let's find the pattern rule. 4, it becomes 12. What did you do? Pwede, plus 8. Kaya lang, it will not follow through this one. So 4 times 3, we have 12. 4 times 3, we have 12. Kaya lang dito, hindi pwede ang times 3. So, pwede rin plus 4. So, times 3, naging 48. 48 plus 4, 52. If you will notice, umuulit siya. Times 3 plus 4 times 3 plus 4. So, the pattern rule, times 3 plus 4. To check, tingnan natin dito. 52, dapat times 3. 52 times 3, we have 156. So, tama siya. Plus 4, 156 plus 4, 160. So, it means tama yung rule natin. X times 3 plus 4. So, kasunod dito, 160 times 3, we have 480. Plus 4, we have 484. Times 3, we have 1,452. So, posible to. That in the pattern rule, we have two pattern rules. Okay. So, to apply, let's have this. These are the activities that you have to answer on this activity. So we have for lesson 1. You will find this on your book, page 255, 1 to 5. So I will give number 9 as an example. So you have to look for the pattern to get the next three terms. Ano yung tatlo dito? So 3 naging 4, 4 becomes 6, 6 becomes 10. Ano ba yung pattern rule? So we have plus 1, yung 4 naging 6 plus 2, yung 6 naging 10 plus 4. So it means yung 1 plus 1 naging 2. 2 plus 2 naging 4. So dito, 4 plus 4, we have 8. So ang pattern rule niya, plus 1, plus 2, plus 4, then 4 plus 4 naging 8. So plus 8 naman dito. That's why it's become 18. Yung 8 plus 8 naging 16. So plus 16 dito. You have 34. Yung 34, yung 16 plus 16, 32. So 32 plus 34, we have 66. So ganyan yung pattern rule niya. Okay. I hope you understand letter A. So let's go to letter B. You will find this on your book on page 255. I gave you an example, yung number 6. So, ano yung rule lang ang hinahanap natin. So, 14, it becomes 17, it becomes 20, it becomes 23, and 26. So, the rule is plus 3. So, that's how you will answer letter B. So, additional for this lesson, we will have a problem solving. You will find this on page 256 of your book. You will answer 1 to 3 only, so I gave number 4 as an example. A carpenter is making department stores shoe rack. He can put 27 pairs of shoes on the top layer, 36 pairs of shoes on the second layer, 45 pairs of shoes on the third layer, and 54 pairs of shoes on the fourth layer. If this pattern continues, how many pairs of shoes will the carpenter put on the eighth layer? So we have 27. So we will just list down the number. 27, 36, 45, 54. So this is the first layer, the top layer, the second layer, the third layer, the fourth, the fifth is missing, 6, 7, and 8. Kasi yung 8 layer ang kailangan natin. Okay. So, you have to find the pattern rule. Ano ba yung pattern rule niya? 27, 36, naging 45. So, the pattern rule is plus 9. So, kung plus 9 dito, 54 plus 9, we have 63. Plus 9, we have 72. Plus 9, we have 81. And plus 9, we have 90. And it is the 8th layer. So, it means the answer is 90 shoes. Okay. And that's it for the activities for quarter 6, for the quarter 3, week 6, lesson 1. Okay. So, happy learning. So, you have to see quarter 3, week 6, part 2. Goodbye, class.